Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Loyverse. Today we are going to learn how to create a customer into our POS system. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So currently we have, I think we don't have any kind of customers over here. So we have the inventory management, customers, so no customers over here. Okay, so let's try to create a customer. So I have created that one in the API section. So this the name is John Don. So hey, John Doe. So here we this is the post request, email, phone number, address, city, region, postal code, everything I have mentioned. Note preferred customer. So any of other parameters you can add, you can take it the parameters from here. Okay, that email, phone number, address, city, region, postal code, country code, note, total points, no, everything. You can actual customer balance, so you can add it whatever the parameters that they have provided. So those parameters which is necessary, I have added that one. Okay, let's try to make the create the customer over here. So this is the full-fledged code, and we have calling the function that is create customer. Okay, so let's try to run this one. Okay, so here we have the note this, so you can see what the response is, that customer created successfully. Let's try to check in our dashboard that the customer created or not. So we have reload this one, and you can see the John Doe preferred customer contacts, okay, has been created with the total spend and everything. You can go and check all the details like the address, the pin code, notes, everything is there, right? So this is how we are able to create the customer into our POS system with the help of the Loyverse API. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.